Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Hi, welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for a cooking with cannabis / cocktailing with cannabis recipe, depending on if you'd like to put booze in this or not. What are we gonna make? An infamous, fantastic, heartwarming drink, hot chocolate, or in Nigeria, known as chocolate tea. The first known record of hot chocolate is about 2,500 to 3,000 years ago in Maya. The Aztecs started drinking an amazing cocoa drink that was then popularized in Europe, and since then has gone through so many adaptations. There's a great saying that I once heard in Mexico that love without kisses is like hot chocolate without cheese. I've yet to try hot chocolate with cheese, but that statement resonated with me. So let's learn how we make a little bit of infused hot chocolate. It's very, very simple. As you could assume, we need some chocolate. So I have about 50 grams of baker's chocolate, semi-sweet, that I'm just gonna throw right into my pan. And then I have a Terry's chocolate orange. This is a great Canadian favorite. I'm pretty sure it's only sold in Canada and the UK, and the most fun is you whack it and unwrap it. So I think the ticket is to smack it and take it open, and you've got this hilarious chocolate flavored chocolate orange, and I'm gonna have one of those in there today because that's what I would like to do. Then we're gonna pour the milk in. And we're gonna start on low, and we're gonna increase to about a low medium heat and get this to a nice simmer, get everything together. And then once it's at heat, I have a little bit of infused coconut oil that I'm gonna use, but we're also gonna be using the infused whipped cream. Check out that card now so that you can prep that beforehand to put on top. So this will be a double infusion, but we'll put it on the stove on a low heat and slowly increase now. All right, so you can see the mixture is all falling together. It's starting to look like what we know and love as hot chocolate. So this is our time that we'll take our dosed coconut oil and we'll add that right in. Remember, always figure out your own dosage. My recommendations are never perfect. It's just specific for me. So luckily there is some milk fat in there. There's some fat in the chocolate, so it should help the coconut oil disappear so that we don't see any of those little oil floaties that you may have found if you've been trying to infuse or create drinks with your own tinctures at home. So we'll let that sit for another maybe 2 minutes. We'll bring it to a simmer, and then it's ready to go into our cup and be topped with our infused whipped cream. So our chocolate, our milk, everything is beautifully emulsified. We've got this wonderful smelling, lovely beverage. And now again, a test of my skills. Can I get it into the mug in one pour? There we go. I definitely could have made more. Didn't realize how big of a mug I had. Then we'll put that back here. And then I have some wonderful infused whipped cream, like I mentioned. Go watch that video so you can learn to make infused whipped cream. Easy, fantastic way to dose any beverage or dessert. I think in the video we did peaches and cream. There we go. Wonderful little dose of infused whipped cream with chocolate. And then what is hot chocolate without a couple marshmallows and a couple pieces of white chocolate on top just for fun. And there you have it. Infused hot chocolate, 2 infusions, coconut oil, and with the wonderful infused whipped cream. Add anything you want to the top. It's wonderful with a little bit of candy cane crush. Very festive. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, cheers.
What's my name?